2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. What's new for 2016? For 2016, the G550 receives exterior styling tweaks, a new 4.0-litre turbocharged V8 engine and an available adjustable suspension, while a certifiably insane AMG G65 model joins the lineup with twin-turbo V12 power. The G-Class also receives a new instrument cluster. Introduction: the 2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is the only vehicle sold today that successfully spans the cultural chasm between Beirut and the Sunset Strip. The Wagon, as it's popularly known, serves civilian owners worldwide, has seen military use on 6 continents and once won the Dakar Rally. To say it's versatile is a wild understatement. It's also an icon of prosperity that's perhaps uniquely resistant to rational analysis. Along with ancient underpinnings designed for navigating landmine craters, this SUV proffers healthy helpings of leather-wrapped luxury and incongruously contemporary engineering. It's square, it's heavy, it steers and rides like the decades-old military vehicle that it is, and people love it anyway. The G is hilariously overpowered, particularly the new AMG G65 trim with its bonkers V12 engine, and it's fitted with every amenity and convenience that Mercedes could find a place for. It's all about excess, you might say, which gives it an unapologetically American appeal. Practicality and utility are at high on this SUV's priority list. Mercedes has done an admirable job of polishing the agonizingly old design with modern features, but a few unfortunate fundamentals, poor use of space, awkward drivability and dismal fuel economy, remain central to the G's character. For some buyers that might be the whole point, however, because this rig makes a statement wherever it goes. There are a few tangentially related competitors on the market, but none with as much attitude or muscle. The Land Rover Range Rover comes close with its optional supercharged V8 power and copious luxury amenities, as does the sharper handling Land Rover Range Rover Sport. If you're simply drawn to the Gwydian's boxy looks, you could have about 4 Jeep Wrangler Unlimiteds for the price of a single G550. Remember what we said about rational analysis? If you've got a hankering for a 2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, you should probably just go ahead and buy it. Body styles, trim levels, and options. The 2016 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is a 5-passenger SUV that is offered in 3 trims: G550, AMG G63 and AMG G65. Standard features on the G550 include 19-inch alloy wheels, dual side-mounted exhaust outlets, Bixen headlights, LED running lights, heated power folding mirrors, a sunroof, automatic wipers, front and rear parking sensors, a rear view camera, adaptive cruise control and a blind spot monitoring system. Offered exclusively on the G550 is an optional electronically adjustable suspension with 2 modes: Comfort and Sport. The G550's cabin comes standard with dual-zone automatic climate control, leather upholstery, heated and ventilated 10-way power front seats with adjustable side bolsters, shoulder supports and 6-way lumbar, driver memory settings, heated rear outboard seats, a power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, 2 12-volt power ports, 1 for each seating row, and a 115-volt household-style outlet in the cargo area. Also included are the Command Electronics interface with a 7-inch display, a navigation system, voice commands, traffic reporting, Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, and a 12-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system with CD and DVD player, a USB audio input, an auxiliary audio jack, HD radio, satellite radio and an SD card reader. Upgrading to the G63 gets you a more powerful turbocharged V8 as well as 20-inch wheels, performance brakes, an AMG suspension, Sport exhaust, AMG-specific styling elements, upgraded leather upholstery optional on G550 and interior trim, a sports steering wheel and an automatic stop-start function, ostensibly to improve fuel economy, which remains abysmal, of course. Moving up to G65 brings a turbocharged V12 engine but not much else, especially given this trim's jaw-dropping price premium. Additional perks include unique styling flourishes, 21-inch wheels, 20s become optional, and diamond-stitched seat and door upholstery. Class options are few and include a stainless steel brush guard, different wheel styles, carbon fiber or premium wood interior trim, a heated steering wheel, a synthetic shoe and headliner, and a rear seat entertainment system. Powertrains and performance. Powering the 2016 Mercedes-Benz Classe 3 turbocharged engines, 2 V8s G550, G63 and a V12 G65. The G550 uses a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 that produces 416 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque, increases of 34 horsepower and 59 lb-ft from last year's normally aspirated V8. A 7-speed automatic is the only transmission available, distributing power to all four wheels through a full-time four-wheel drive system with a low-range transfer case. Also included are electronically locking front, center, and rear differentials for off-road use. The 2016 G550's more powerful engine and auto stop-start system do little to improve its EPA combined fuel economy estimate, which comes in at 13 miles per gallon combined 13 city 14 highway, the same overall number as last year. Mercedes projects a 0 to 60 mph sprint of 5.8 seconds for this entry-level class. The AMG G63's twin-turbo 5.5-litre V8 pumps out 536 horsepower and 561 lb-ft of torque. It gets an AMG-tuned 7-speed automatic. In track testing, a G63 charged to 60 miles per hour in just 5.3 seconds. Not bad for a 3-ton SUV with, shall we say, suboptimal aerodynamics. Despite the added power and performance, the G63 achieves the same estimated 13 miles per gallon combined 12 city 14 highway as the G550. Should you find the G63 lacking sufficient bravado, there's an even more powerful alternative for 2016. With 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque, the AMG G65 is the final nail in the fuel economy coffin for the Guigan. Its 12 miles per gallon combined 11 city 13 highway is among the worst for vehicles sold in the US. It utilizes the same 7-speed automatic and drops the G's 0 to 60 time to an estimated 5.2 seconds. Towing capacity for all three models is 7,000 pounds. Safety. Standard safety features for all 2016 Mercedes-Benz Class models include 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, traction and stability control, front side airbags and side curtain airbags. Also included are front and rear parking sensors, hill hold assist, a blind spot monitoring system, a rear view camera, and Mercedes embraced true emergency telematics, which includes services such as automatic collision notification, an emergency response button, stolen vehicle location and remote lock and lock. In brake testing, the G63 posted a 120-foot stop from 60 miles per hour, with negligible fade after repeated hard braking, an astonishing performance for a 5,934-pound vehicle. Interior design and special features look past the Guigan's luxurious leather and wood trim, and its utilitarian origins are readily apparent, with boxy shapes and hard corners abundantly present. As with most current Mercedes vehicles, a large centrally mounted display screen is operated via the command electronics interface knob and buttons. Like most infotainment systems, it requires a little getting used to, but its menu structure and overall ease of use are excellent. Its higher resolution screen is also among the best available, though we'd rather it weren't perched atop the dash like an aftermarket installation. Despite the G's large exterior dimensions, legroom is modest in any seat. There is ample headroom, though. The G-Class also comes up surprisingly short in terms of storage and cargo space. Cup holders are limited to awkward and flimsy plastic devices that plug into the dash and center armrest. We suggest using sealed containers only and stowing them in the door pockets. Total cargo space with the rear seats folded is 79.5 cubic feet, but the large humps on each side of the cargo floor, which resemble rear benches for seating troops, make it difficult to stow wider items like golf clubs. Driving impressions with a truck-like curb weight and brick-like aerodynamics, the G-Class overcomes the challenges of physics with raw power. Even the base-level G550 reaches highway speeds effortlessly. Upgrading to the AMG G63 or AMG G65 further blesses this big SUV with sports car-like acceleration, though the G65's 0.1 second advantage at 60 miles per hour doesn't do much to justify its vastly higher price. The G-Class provides a smooth and comfortable ride as traditional SUVs go. Driven around corners, however, this tall and narrow vehicle doesn't inspire confidence. The 2013 G550 remains the slowest vehicle in the history of the